Okay, ma'am.
Ainshri, go and mute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so in last class, what we have learned? Punna Rao. Sushant, off your video.
Okay, ma'am.
Punna Rao.
Ma-
Kalyan Kumar.
ma'am, can I tell now, ma'am?
No, no, wait. Kalyan
Ma'am, may
Kumar.
I? Ma'am, may I? I'm Sharon Srija. Ma'am, shall I?
Sharon, yours also first class, right? Sharon Srija.
Ma'am,
Sharon, yes, yours also first class, right?
no, ma'am, second class.
Okay. Have you seen those reference videos?
Yes, ma'am, I have saw, ma'am. The dice one and I saw, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Sushant,
ma'am.
Sohan,
Teacher.
yes. Have you seen reference videos?
No, teacher.
Why?
Teacher, I was
And
not.
where is Manya?
I don't know, teacher.
Hi, ma'am.
You are logging with different one or same both of you?
Different one,
Different
teacher.
one, ma'am.
Okay. Reference video you have seen or not?
Ma'am.
Reference videos we have sent it in group. After this class, go and see those videos, then only you will understand.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, Sushant,
ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
tell me what we have learned in last class.
Ma'am, we learned about sending messages from one person to another.
Have you done any
Microbit.
project, new project on this topic?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show to everyone?
No, no, ma'am. I did not did, but I did not did,
Said
ma'am.
yes now. Ashwin,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done any project, new project?
Yes, ma'am. I have done that micro chat. I've sent the video. Again, I was just working on one game I saw in tutorials. That's Crashy Bird game. I have completed full, ma'am.
Okay. Send the video in group and
Okay, ma'am.
tell it to everyone. Don't see send the videos personally. Send in WhatsApp group so other can see. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't send me personally. Whatever is there, send me in group so everyone can learn.
Okay, ma'am.
Pallavi, Pallavi. Okay, Shrestha, Shrestha.
Yes, ma'am.
Last class, what we have done?
Micro chat.
Micro chat. Okay. Sanvi, Sanvi is there.
No, ma'am.
Sanvi, Jenny,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Jenny. Last class was there, right?
Yes, ma'am. But my internet connection was not proper, ma'am.
Okay. Leave that. Shrestha. Okay, Nishita.
Yes,
Nishita
ma'am.
Rego. Nishita
Ma'am,
Rego. Nishita Rego.
ma'am, you called me just now.
No, for Nishita I call.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the last project, micro chat only. In just 5 minutes, I'll tell you because so many students are new today. So they will understand that is a simple one now. Then we will move to our new topic, that is music today. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
teacher.
ma'am.
Now see.
Okay, ma'am.
See.
Okay.
Just simple description I'll give you. Those who are new, you have to. This is a microbit. Okay. Here we can do coding. Coding means normal. This is a chip. This chip, and this chip is available physically also. When we are going to start in our class, like in school, then we are going to use this chip. Okay. And this chip we can connect to our system and we can download the programs. And this is a program area. Okay. So the
Yes, teacher.
last class, what we have learned, the sending the messages between two chips. See, one person is handling this one chip and the second person is handling the second chip. So in both the chips, how we can send the messages, that we have learned in last class. I'll show you the just small video, small program of that one, how to send the messages. Okay. And you have to go and you have to see the videos of that.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
First, what we have to do,
Yes, teacher.
what we have done, can anyone guide me?
Teacher, I can.
Teacher, can I say? My name is Ramya Sri. Ma'am, I'm Sharon Chizame. Hi.
Yes, Ramya.
Teacher, first we need to take from basic on start.
Yes.
And in that we need to keep radio set group number is 21.
Yes. Why 21 only?
But we can keep any number, ma'am.
Yes.
Means till
Ashwin? Wait. Ashwin,
Yes, ma'am.
why we are keeping this block on start radio set group 21?
Can go because the radio have to go to the another one. So that's why we are keeping this so that it can go with that. Or else if it is not there, we cannot do it.
Okay. So see, when you are using like when I'm telling you, when I'm keeping you in groups, right? In class, what we are doing, we are telling you to sit in groups, four members, one group. So what I call group one, group two. I can't call like if in one group four members are there, I have to call four names, right?
Yes.
So instead of that, what I'm doing, I'm telling group number one, group number two, group number three. So here
Yes,
also
ma'am.
we have to do the programming for two chip, right?
Yes.
We are making group. So here for that we are using this block on start. If you are owning this chip, this group number 21 program will start.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what do you have to do?
Yeah, me or
Ramyashi.
Next we need to take on button A pressed,
Yes.
and in that we need to keep radio sent string.
Radio send string. Yes.
In that we can keep any of the name, like we can keep hello.
Yes. Okay. Now, Pallavi. Okay, I'll tell about this. See,
Ma'am, may I please?
your name.
Ma'am, Sharon.
Can you know this?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell.
Ma'am,
Sharon.
ma'am,
Yes, tell.
ma'am, click on radio.
I'm asking why we are using this block.
Because to send to other chip, other person, and they have to receive it.
Yes, correct. See, when you want to send some messages to anyone, what you'll do, you will type the message right in your phone.
Yes, teacher.
Same thing.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will on your WhatsApp and you will type your message. Here also same thing. On button A pressed, radio send string hey. It will send this message. Hey, hey string means the word what we are sending. Here string means word. Okay, a word. So
Yes, teacher.
radio send string hey. Now we have sent the message. Now the other person will receive the message, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So what we will use? We will use this on radio received string.
String.
We see
If we
shows
are using
that
here
also.
string, then we have to here keep string one only. You can't
Yes,
keep
teacher.
any number and all. No, you can't keep. If you are using here
Yes,
string, you have to use string only.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
After sending, receiving, what he will do? Other person he will see the message, right? What you
yes,
have sent
teacher.
it, he will
Yes,
see the
Yes,
teacher.
message.
ma'am.
He will
Yes,
see the
teacher.
message.
What we will
He'll
do?
see the message.
We will do
Show
show string.
string.
Okay, and
Again,
whatever we
in that
have
received
this
string, we have to keep
this one only we need to click here.
received string.
Okay,
Yes,
and this
Okay,
is
teacher.
done.
teacher.
Now we will on our program. On button A pressed. See,
And click
now
on
two
A.
chips are there. Before
Yes,
there
Ma'am,
was
then we
only
need
one chip.
to click
Now
on
two chips are
A
there.
again.
If you press button A, see down
A.
message A.
Message here.
H E.
Okay. Now
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to
Yes,
send. Now
teacher.
this yellow one wants to send the message to green one. He will also press the button A.
Click on
A.
again A.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Teacher.
yes, ma'am.
Now the same
Understood,
thing
ma'am.
in this one only. We have done the frequency one also. For that,
Ma'am, we
go
can
to
keep numbers also, no, ma'am? Radio send number.
yes, yes. For that, you go to reference video and see. Now we will
Yes,
go
ma'am.
for our next topic, that is music one. Okay,
Yes,
how to
teacher.
use music in this microbit. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
teacher.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I
let's
got
go.
how. Ma'am, I know how to do, ma'am.
Yes, teacher.
You know,
Ma'am,
everyone don't know. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and I'm telling for everyone, not for you only. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
In that I have changed that so that it will show the strength, like the number at last will show now, ma'am. So I've written show string like show string radio strength like that. Is that correct, ma'am?
Show his strength.
No, ma'am. When I'm saying that number, the signal that number which will be there, na, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Radio number. Radio send number.
Yes, ma'am. In that, if we press button B, it will go, na, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
So I kept that as a radio strength. Then that number I've kept. Is that correct, ma'am? Or
Yes.
not?
Yes. Correct. Correct. Correct.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Now what we will do, what we are going to do is music. How to use music in this one. Okay. So
ma'am,
you can
I
see
know
here.
how.
Who is telling I know? Your name please. Your name please. Who's telling I know? Jashwant.
Ma'am,
Who's telling I know?
not I, ma'am.
Then who? I'm not telling this class for you only. Okay. There is other people also. They don't know. Okay. So see here you can see this music block. In this music, so many blocks you have. Play melody, play tone. See. So using this, you can make your projects with music. If you want to make any game in that, you need music also some. Okay. For that, these blocks are. So you can use these blocks and you can make your game more attractive. Okay. So I'm going to show you now how we will use these blocks. First, what we need to do, see if you will keep this on start forever blocks. So once when you press this button, the program will start and it will never end if you keep in forever. And if you keep in on start, the program will run only once, one time. Okay. So what we for this type of programs, you have to select every time this one on button A pressed or on button B pressed. You should never keep on start forever and on shake for this type of projects. Okay, because if you keep on shake, see if on shake is there, if you touch here also now, this plate will shake and it will on the program. So always keep on button A pressed or on button B pressed for this type of program. Now we will see the music. What we have to use this one. Melody means if you take this one now, already some sound is there, they will use those sound only. We have to do this one. Play tone middle C for 1 week. Now if you see this 1 week means what? 1 beat, 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16, 2, 4. This means minutes. For 1 minute, not for 1 minute, 1 second, half second, 1/4 second, 1/8 seconds. So, like the timing will be decrease. 2, 4 timing will be increase for playing a tone, a selected tone. For this means middle C means C. Can you see this? We have low, middle, high. These are tones.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear sound?
No, no, ma'am.
Now,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, after
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
you can't hear this.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am, you
ma'am.
have to,
Okay, okay, wait.
ma'am, you have
Now,
to use the Chrome tab, ma'am, to
what?
get the sound. For getting the
Yes,
sound in the
ma'am.
computer, you have to use in the show screen Chrome tab. Then only it will come, ma'am.
Okay. So now for this class, I'll just show you the programming. You have to do programming and you have to send me the video. Okay, I'll show you how to do. What you have to do,
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to select a selected tone. I'm selecting middle D and it should run for 1 second. After this, you have to just press button A. That's it. And it will give you a sound. Whatever you selected here now, it will give you that sound.
Yes,
Now,
teacher.
coming to like, I want to make one tune. For 2 to 3 seconds or 4 seconds, I want to make one song type, one tune. What you have to do? After this,
Have to duplicate the blocks.
after this one, you have to give for 1 beat. 1 beat means 1 second. Rest for 1 second. Okay, and you can do in one, so it will be little less. The rest time will be little less. After this, you have to select tone. Here, see here. If you click on this now, so many different tunes are there. You can select your own tune and you can make one tune, a good tune, or whatever you want. So like this only you have to do. After this again, and after this again, this one, and select one other tune. See, first I selected middle D, now I'm selecting low B. Like this, you can make one tune types for song. Like games are there, na video games. In video games, some sound will be there. That type of
Yes,
sound
ma'am.
is there here in middle B, low B. Okay. You heard about Sare Gamapa?
Yes, ma'am.
Those who
Yes,
are aware of
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. In music class.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
classes, that sound we can make with this. How? I'll show you now. If you take this now from here, see piano. This anyone knows about this? Anyone play this?
Ma'am.
Who? Who?
Ma'am,
Anyone?
I know, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, instead of play,
Starting. This is starting. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, till here, till middle D.
excuse
After
me,
this,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, instead of play tone, we can take a play melody, ma'am. In that, it will be very easy to play music. Sari Gamapa.
Direct it will be.
Yes, ma'am.
Direct it will be, na? That only I'm saying it will be direct. Here you have to do the programming. That is very simple. I to telling you that is very simple. And this is little bit tough. That you can do by your own. Play melodies very simple. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What you have to do from starting low C, you have to start and you have to do the same thing. After low C, rest for half beat. And till till middle C or middle D, till you have to select the beats. Understood now?
Okay, ma'am.
I will play the
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
your
Ma'am.
music. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can't hear my sound. So what we will do, you have to do the programming and you have to send me the video for this. And not only this, you have to make some tunes, different tunes. Using what using? Melody also you can use, and using from this side, high A. Okay. From high side. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No doubts.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Those who are new,
Ma'am.
Manya,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
Teacher, can you repeat once again, teacher?
Yes, I can repeat. Okay. So one time I will repeat. See, this basic one is complete, input is complete, radio also you know about radio. This one we have used, this we have used, this we have used, this we have used, and this we have also used. Number. Okay. So now is coming to music. We are going to use this music block. Okay. So I'm telling you for this type of projects, never use on start forever and on shake. Okay. Because if you use on start, if you touch on this one now, your program will start, and if you use forever, your program will be continue. Your program will never stop till you will stop. Okay. So for this type of projects, use on button A pressed and on button B pressed. Okay.
Ma'am, but for games and everything, we can keep that for forever block and ma'am. We can keep forever block.
You can keep, I'm not telling you can't keep, but if you in games, if you on the game once, it will start, right? Forever
Yes,
is
ma'am.
useful, very useful forever. And but where you want, like, you have to give command, there you should use this on button.
Okay, ma'am.
So your command is used, right? So for this type of projects, for games and all, forever is good. And in games also, not only one program is there, right? So many programs you should do. You have to do so many programs, not only one program. Like in Dice one we have used, right? We have used functions, we have used on start block, we have used on shake button. Like this only you have to do. In Dice one we did, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So like that we have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
This on button A pressed, and you can
Okay, ma'am.
change this one only in B. A plus B means one more button will be there and it will be A plus B. Okay. So you can use this three buttons. Okay. Now what you have to use? You have to use music blocks. This play tone. Okay, play tone and middle C. If you click on middle C, this will be visible on your screen automatically. So you have to use this, you have to choose which is on every one different sound is there. On every this white string, different sound is there. So you can select one sound and you can select timing for how much time you want to play this sound. This is 1 second, half second, 1/4 second, 1/8 second, 1/16 seconds. Understood? So you can choose. After this, you have, in Scratch we use, right? Pause for seconds, stop, wait a second, wait for seconds. We have used this block, right? Same in this block. Rest, wait for 1 beat.
Ma'am, your voice is repeating.
Okay.
It's
Rest
echoing.
for
Yes,
1
ma'am. Like a song.
Yes, rest for 1 beat. 1 beat means It will not play any sound. After this, that it will repeat the next sound. Okay. So we will give rest for half second. Rest means wait. It will not do anything for that half second. It will not give you any sound for that half second. After that, again select other sound. First we selected middle C. C for doing guitar programming, you can start from low C. First low C, then low D, then again go to music, keep pressed for half second. Then again play tone. Now what we will do? First low C is completed, low D is completed. Now low F. Okay. Then again for rest. Rest for half second. Then again the same thing. Play tone. Middle E is done, right? Low E, sorry. Low E is done. Low F. Now again rest for half beat, half second. Like this, the same thing you have to repeat till middle C. Okay, that is a guitar, like guitar sound. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa wala. Okay, and for repeating you can start from here again till low F is done. Low F, low G. Okay, you are not able to hear the sound. But once you will do the programming now in your system, then it's very good. It's very interesting. For half beat, okay. Low G is done. The same thing you have to repeat. Now I'll Punna Rao. Okay. Nishita Raghu. Punna Rao, can you do the same program and you can share a screen?
No, ma'am.
Can you do the same program and can you show on your screen?
Teacher, can I?
Just 1 second. I'll give chance to everyone. Punna Rao.
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Do.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute.
Next is Shrestha.
Okay, ma'am. I will present.
Yes. You are ready, Shrestha?
Ma'am, may I please?
Ma'am, may I please?
Okay, ma'am. After Pudara, I'll start my screen sharing.
Start.
Ma'am, I am starting. Pudara is sharing.
You have to explain also.
Ma'am, we should go to inputs, on button, A press, take it outside. Next, go to music, play, tone, take it out, and keep on button, and keep it on button A pressed. Now change it into low C. Next, rest for 1 beat. If we keep this one, it will rest for 1 beat. Next, play tone. Change it to low D. Again rest. Now again take play tone. Low E. rest for one beat. Next, play tone low F. Next, rest it for a while. G. Ma'am,
Your voice is breaking.
I
Very good. Next, Shweta.
First, I'm opening microbit.
Everyone listen, by next class, daily one person have to present one program. Daily.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Shweta.
Yes, ma'am.
Seven. Yes, now it's visible. You can start.
Yes, I'm naming it as tune.
Shrestha, once stop your screen sharing and again share it. Can't see the screen. That's all.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
actually, Punarao is still sharing. That's why it's coming like that.
Asha, you can't share a screen routine, right?
Ma'am.
Sir,
Asha,
should I
you're
continue?
sharing.
Please do continue. Wait, Shrestha will continue. After we'll give the chance to Harsha.
Okay, sir.
Shweta, you can continue.
Okay, ma'am.
So first we need to take on button A press. So next music. From music we need to take play tone one beat. So we need to take first low C. Next we need to take rest one beat. Here we need to take 1/2 and we need to take from rest 1/2. Then we need to take play tone middle C and choose melody low C, low D, then rest one beat. Here in the play tone 1/2 beat, then rest 1/2 beat, Then next we need to take play tone. Then again low E. Then rest 1/2, beat 1/2. Then we need to take again next low F. Then rest 1/2, 2. Then again we need to take middle C. Then we need to keep here here we need to take
Teacher, after this, who should I explain, teacher?
Yes.
low G. Then
After this, who should explain, ma'am?
Let her complete first, no?
1/2,
Ma'am, I have
Okay,
done
ma'am.
it in my laptop.
1/2.
Let her complete first. We are not able to hear her voice.
Low G. So
Okay, we are not able to hear sound.
yes, ma'am, here is the sound is not available.
Yes. So for the next class, what is your work is you have to do this, not this program, you have to do your own tune and you have to present in next class. Next is who will present? Bhupesh in next class. I'm telling, not today. Bhupesh. Bhupesh is there.
Okay, ma'am.